Hey guys, I also promised that I would do the redo of the mini catalog, so here it goes. You got your extra bonus free early bird coupons. I'm going free on everything. Got my store locations. I go to this one right here. Then it just tells you the hours and stuff. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, let's open. Alright, we'll start in the back, I guess. Alright, the Rain of Fire. Everything's buy one, get one free. Some stuff right here. Conda Gold. Tropic Thunder, really good one. Blue Brocade Barrage, really good. Fountains. Novelties. Wolfpack stuff. Rum candles. Radical recoil shells. A double star Wolfpack. Seismic waves. Seismic wave crackers. Howling Wolfpack rockets. Head bombs, Wolfpack Finale Spectacular, a brick of firecrackers, snaps, missiles. Alright, side now. We have Power Play. There, Palm Tree, good one. Right here, another 3-inch Finale. Get some Silver Sonic Warhead Premiere. Double Take, I like that one, really good. They're American military candles. Lock and load. Canister shells. Mighty Mites. Big Burst ballistic rockets. Cyber sword rockets. Typhoon, haven't seen that one. Gigantic gills. Some assortments. Jumbo rocket assortment. Buy one get one free. Niagara Falls assortment. Battle of Yorktown assortment. Rolling Thunder assortment. And Grand Finale assortment. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching my whole video, and hopefully we can light some fireworks off soon. And thanks for watching. When I get my fireworks, hopefully soon, I can show you those, my stash. Because this is stupid. It's not that we even got like an inch of rain yesterday, so hopefully they will let us light some fireworks off in my county. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you be safe on the 4th, and thanks for watching. Bye.